Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw a spider cat from across the Spiderverse. And yeah, let's do it step by step for beginners, okay? If you're a beginner, super easy. So let's get started. Real short video as well. So right here, I'm going to draw a line down right here for the ear. Cat ear. I'm going to draw a curve for the top of the head. Line out over here for his other ear. Down right here, kind of close that off, and then curve right here for kind of the ear sticking out of the mask. So that's pretty much what's gonna happen. If you like this, by the way, don't forget, if you like the Spiderverse, please hit that like button. Hitting the like button really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. Helps the algorithm in general. So now we're gonna go into his eyes over here. Well, actually, first thing I'm gonna do is go out over here, down for the mask. All right. Curve over here underneath for underneath the mask as he has it on, and curve over here for kind of the rest of the mask that the kitty has on. Let me know what you thought of Spiderverse. I'm really curious. Gonna go over here, line across for the nose. We're gonna simplify right here, just kind of make a little bean down right here. Curve right here for the little mouth. Very simple, right? So far so good. And line right here under the mouth. Let's go over here now. Up. Curve underneath for the eye. Go over here on this side. Curve over here for those Spider-Man style eyes, right? Right on. Now let's go over here to the edge. Right there. Gonna go downward. Downward over here. Downward over here. And the line right there. Okay. That's kind of the bottom of his neck, right? So far, so good. Pretty simple so far. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna draw curve over here for his up to his back, most of his torso right there. Line down here for his arm. Line over here for the arm right there. Down underneath for his paw touching the ground. Curve for the split in the paws and fingers. By the way, if you like learning how to draw cute stuff, hit the link in the description. It is basically how to draw cute, right? How do you draw something that's cute, other than it's furry, other than things like that? You can draw a line underneath here. Basically, with chibi style characters, you draw like a big head, small body, right? There's a very specific way you do that, like big eyes, small mouth. It is proportion and how they relate to each other. That is the most important thing with chibi characters. There's a completely free thing in the description. I'm gonna go over here down for the other paw, right? There's a completely free ebook that I made on how to draw chibi characters. Go take a look at that. Go swipe, take a look at the description if you find that link. It is completely free. It is a gift from me to you. So thank you so much. It is something that I used to sell, but now it's free. Here's the other paw, line as his paws touching the ground. Gonna go over here now, underneath the cat. Line over here for his rear end. Down for his hind leg. And then over here for the back paw, right there. Let's go over here for the tail. Curve, kind of a large end to the back of the tail there. Hopefully it stays on the page. Curve in. Right on. I'm gonna go over here now and curve it down with a lighter line. That's gonna be the design in the Spider-Man outfit. Curve over here, curve over here. Line right here for the edge of the outfit, line right here for the edge of the design. So let's start drawing kind of that spider pattern that is on a lot of these. Down, thinner line, by the way. Try to use a thinner line. I know I'm using a marker here, but if you use it in pencil, just thin. And it's all radiating from the center. Same thing over here. I would say for especially the body right here, make it thin. But I would say also that's more of a crosshatch, like a hashtag. For the face, it's kind of like a sun, right? It's obviously like a web. And we're following the line across the face over here. Kind of, you have that webbing pattern. I think it's much more obvious on the face than it would be anywhere else. I just kind of, I don't know, I think that's better. Gonna go over here, crosshatch for that area of the leg. And then same thing goes over here for that little area around the waist Spider-Man has. Let's push into, I want to throw a thicker line around the outside of this design. And the reason I want to do that is because I just think it looks better. So it's a style thing. We're going to just draw a thicker, we're almost done. Just draw a thicker line with the marker. If you're not using marker, you can kind of do this as well with pencil. Here. Over here, down. Again, we're just, like I said, the reason I like doing thicker lines around the outside of characters, I think it's because it gives me a much more, I don't know, it gives the character like this sticker-like look. It gives it like a better feel overall. Right, it just kind of makes it more contained. And I can even throw the top of the head sometimes as well. Because the head is coming forward, right? So it does kind of create that look. And then over here between the paws, because that is important as well. Alrighty, anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget we have coloring books on Amazon. I'm going to be putting more all the time. Thank you. I appreciate it. Please reach out and say hi to me if you haven't, and I will talk to you in the next video, okay? Hopefully you have an amazing time, and I will see you very soon, okay? See you later, art addicts. Yeah, give that thumbs up, especially if you made it at the very end of the video. Talk to you later.